Hey guys, LaMonster here at LaMonster Garage, and we're going to do an install on our new belt tensioner. We just did one for the RT, and we got one more video to shoot, but we're going to shoot it on all three bikes just to help you out and show you how to install it. Like the other big videos, we kind of told you about this is a dual bearing. Got dual bearings in the roller, dual bearings in the pivot arm itself, and just a really nice piece, a nice bulletproof part. And we're going to install it on my F3. We got all the panels off, so you're going to have to get the panels off without the video. And there's videos out there. I think I even got some videos out there on taking the panels off, but it's a pretty easy deal. So we're jumping ahead and going right to the install of the roller itself. You're going to want to, right below this frame, I'll get Jacob to come over here and I'll show you. There's some bolt holes, and that's where the tensioner is going to bolt to, right behind this brace right here. So you can even see through this little hole, you can see the back one that you're going to be using. So this comes with the spacer, and we made the spacer for the RT. We're going to go ahead and show it on the F3 too. You don't need to put this on the F3 if you don't want to. We're going to, just because our instructions say to do it, we're going to go ahead and do it. The holes you're going to be using are the middle one and this one here, which would be the back. So all we're going to do is go ahead and drop our bolts in here. We already got the bolts out of here, as we showed you. So now it's just a matter of fishing this in place and getting everything started. So it's going to take a minute here. This is always the fun part. Well, no way could have went that easy, but it might have. So basically I'm using a 13 millimeter, and I think I got them both started. Well, you can look down there, show you what you're looking for. So we both got them both started here. If it doesn't go this easy for you, don't feel bad. It hardly ever goes that easy for me. Just got lucky on this one. Yep. Before we get it tight, we'll go ahead and line it up a little bit. Right now it's a little crooked. There is slots in the bracket to give you some adjustment. Just gonna want to go back and forth. I'll get this fairly close to where it goes. Alright, starting to snug up. I want to square that up so it's free. And it should be pretty much full contact on the belt. If it's off a little bit, don't worry about it. That could be because of your alignment on the rear wheel. But it should be pretty much full contact on the belt. Long bolt. right, that's it. Well, there's the, make sure this clears, nothing's hitting, squared up on the bell. And that's it. And this will greatly reduce your vibration. Usually it's around 60 to 70 miles an hour. People are complaining about the vibration. Such a long belt, that's why you pick up the vibration on it. And this is basically eliminates it. And the difference in this product is the bearings. The fact that we got the dual bearings front and rear, and makes it pretty much a bulletproof item. So that's it, guys. Thanks.